Uh, Hello everyone, good afternoon to one and all. My name is Udayit. I have 16 years of experience in IT field. Today we are going to learn AWS. What is meant by AWS? It's an Amazon Web Service. Why companies use it? Why companies use it? Okay, and I will show you create a real server. I will show you create a real server live. Okay, see, do you use Google Drive? Do you use Google Drive? Do you use Google Drive? Do you watch Netflix? Do you watch Netflix? Mainly these runs on cloud platforms. Mainly these runs on cloud platforms like Amazon Web Service. Like Amazon Web Service. What it is? What is AWS? What is AWS? It is a cloud platform. It is a cloud platform where we can create servers, comma, stores data, comma, and applications run applications without buying physical hardware. Without buying physical hardware. That is the advantage of cloud computing. That is the advantage of cloud platform. Where AWS is a cloud platform. AWS is nothing but a tool that provides cloud computing service where we can create servers, stores data on our applications without buying physical hardware. Physical hardware in the sense, I will tell you an example. In olden days, what happens means, initial days, traditional days, in olden days, what happens means, companies buys servers. Companies buys servers around 10 to 50 lakhs. Around 10 to 50 lakhs. Before cloud computing, what means companies buying servers around 10 to 50 lakhs. Once cloud computing came, then in modern days, once cloud computing came into the market, then what happens means it uses AWS or Azure or GCP. AWS or Azure or GCP. They are going to use. Okay, no need of buying physical servers. No need of buying servers. How much you used, for that only you have to pay. Pay only for usage. It's like a postpaid card. How much you use, that much only you have to pay. That is the advantage of cloud computing. No need to buy physical servers. Okay, physical servers cost is very high. Okay, see, example, startup like Netflix. Netflix is there no movie related there. Next uses AWS to stream videos globally. To stream videos globally on the cloud, those videos are there, and it can be used globally. Okay. Next, legacy system means old method. In old methods, before cloud computing, what happens means, so what happens earlier companies early, earlier companies use on-premise on-premise servers. That means they need that means they need server room. That means they need server room, AC cooling, and maintenance team all are required. Not only that, you have to buy the physical server. What is the problem? High cost. High cost, downtime, maintain. If you are not performing maintenance, then downtime. No scalability. No scalability. That too, cost is very high. Once cloud computing came, then tools like AWS, Azure, and GCP came. They are going to provide cloud computing service. It solves all problems. It solves all problems. Okay, it solves all problems. Okay, no hardware advantages means what? No need to buy physical hardware. No hardware. Okay, pay as much as you use. Pay as you go. Pay as you go. That means pay as much as you used. Next, scale anytime. Anytime. These are the advantages. Okay. In olden before cloud computing, before AWS tools or Azure tool or GCP tool, uh, you have to buy the physical server. For that, so many things: server room needed, maintenance needed, AC cooling needed, everything needed. The two cost is very high. Once cloud computing came into the market by using the tools like AWS, Azure, and GCP, uh, then as much as you use, then only you have to pay for that usage purpose only. It is a completely cloud based. Its cost is very low, setup time in fraction of minutes, and scalability maintenance. Okay, Why we go for AWS? Because of fast deployment purpose. Because of fast deployment, global global access, security wise also Linux servers are using next cost saving. These are all the advantages of AWS. That's why we are going for AWS. Okay. Next, next I will show you few of the important things. Okay. Before that, what happens is you must before going to use AW, even though it's a free 12 months free tier, but you have to use your debit card. Okay, that's why I'm telling you only. I will show you how to use. Okay, next, today I want to tell you few of the things. What is mean by, see, what happened before cloud computing? Companies uses physical servers. These servers were kept inside a server room in buildings, company buildings. This is called on premise. For example, college websites. College website is there before cloud computing, before AWS. College people, what they will do? They buy servers. They buy servers, keeps them in a server room. They buy server, keep them in the server room, and needs electricity, needs electricity, cooling, AC cooling, and security. These many things are needed when before cloud computing came into the market. It's what are the problems happened for this because of this one? Tell me. I already explained. High cost, maintenance team required, maintenance team required. Okay. Next, if server fails, what happens? Website goes down. Website goes down. Next, scaling is difficult. Scaling is difficult. These many problems we are facing before cloud computing. Okay, user to internet. Okay, and from the internet to company server, user company server room to website. This is the flow before cloud computing. When cloud computing came into the market, cloud computing came into the market. What happens? Using servers over the internet. It is also using servers, but over the internet it is using over the internet instead of physical servers. Instead of your own computer. Internet is there, then you have to use servers over the internet. That is the advantage of cloud computing. Okay, you don't need to buy hardware. You don't need to buy hardware. You can access from everything online. You pay only for what you use. For what you only for what you use. These many things. These are the advantages. Okay. For example, Google Drive is there. Google Drive, you need any server required? No. Okay, just it's an app. Okay. You store what Google Drive is doing. You store large amount of files. You stored in Google Drive. You store files online. Okay. No need for pen drive also. No need for pen drive. Pen drive means physical device. No need. Okay. This is what? Cloud storage. What I told you What I told you initially, for storing purpose, we can create servers, we can store data and run applications without buying physical hardware. So this is an advantage of storage purpose. This is an example of storage. I will tell you one more example. Netflix. Netflix videos are available on your phone? No. Videos are not in your phone. Where videos are available? Where they come from cloud servers. Okay, this is an example of cloud computing. Next one, Gmail is also one example. Gmail, where emails are stored? In Gmail. Emails are stored in cloud. It can access from anywhere. Okay, these are the examples of cloud computing. See, same. The flow of cloud computing is uses internet. Okay, and through cloud servers, through and then response came, and then response. This is the flow. Okay, first what they will do? User sends request. User sends request. Next what? Cloud server process it. Next what? Sends response back. Sends response back. Okay. Next, types of cloud service. Types of cloud services. What are the types of cloud services? We will see. Okay, these things are very important. That's why before going to do anything, we need to understand like the legacy technologies. We need to understand why we go for AWS instead of previous technologies. That we need to understand. Otherwise, without understanding of those things, why we are going for AWS, we can't understand. That's why I'm telling the legacy technologies also, old technologies also. Okay, once why came for cloud computing? What is the advantage of cloud computing? Everything I am explaining. Okay, any technology, this is the mandatory thing. Types of cloud services. First one is server. Server is one cloud service. Okay, it run applications. Okay, storage is one cloud service. These are the services provided by the cloud. Server. Storage means data. Stores data. Okay, this is one type of cloud service. Next one is database. Database, why we use for manage data, to manage data. Okay, difference between AWS and C. Sir, AWS and cloud computing, what is the difference, sir? That's very good. AWS and cloud computing, what is the difference? That I will tell you. Difference. AWS is nothing but a, see, cloud computing is nothing but a, cloud computing is a concept, is just a concept, is just a concept or idea. Okay, AWS is a platform or tool. Platform means tool that provides, like, that provides cloud computing. That provides cloud computing. Now you understand, right? AWS is a tool that provides cloud computing. I will tell you an easy example. See, electricity is there. No, you know about electricity. Electricity is equal to cloud computing. Just imagine, electricity is equal to cloud computing. Power company is equal to AWS. Power company is equal to AWS. That's why I told you that AWS is a tool, is a platform that provides cloud computing. That provides cloud computing. So AWS is nothing but a power company. Cloud computing is nothing but a electricity. Power company provides electricity. Okay. Next, what is the type? Cloud computing is just an idea or concept, whereas AWS is a platform. Cloud computing uses internet servers. AWS is a service provider. See, cloud computing is just a concept. AWS is a platform. Cloud computing using internet servers. Through internet it is working. Internet servers. AWS is a service provider which provides the services like cloud computing. Okay, example what? For cloud computing, example what? Storing data online. Google Drive is all things. Storing data online. Okay, storing data online. Amazon is the service provider that provides cloud computing. So AWS services. AWS services. Services. Okay. Next, who provides cloud computing? Many companies. AWS. Who provides AWS? Amazon Web Services provides AWS. Okay. Cloud computing example, Google Drive. AWS is a platform that gives servers. Okay, that provides cloud computing. Okay, because why companies use cloud? Why companies use cloud? No need to buy. Why companies use cloud? Tell me. No need to buy servers. Next, low cost. Next, access from anywhere. Access from anywhere. Okay, scalable anytime. Okay, these are the advantages. That's why company use it. Without cloud, what happened? Previous technologies. Without cloud, you have to buy physical server. So buy server expensive before cloud. Before cloud, expensive. With cloud, what happened? After cloud came into the market, what happened? Okay, start small. Okay, grow anytime. Okay, cloud computing use best. Okay, it uses cloud. Okay, cloud computing means running applications and storing data. See, cloud computing means, finally I want to give one definition. Cloud computing means what? Running running applications and storing data on internet servers servers instead of running applications and storing data on internet servers instead of your own computer. Your own computer. This is nothing but cloud computing. It's not a place. It's someone else's computer accessible. See, it's not a cloud is not a place. Cloud is not a place. It's someone else. Someone else's computer. Someone else's computer accessible through someone else's computer accessible through internet. Okay, this is nothing but a cloud computing. Okay, next, see, these are the things you need to understand. Once you understand these things, remaining thing is nothing. Okay, I will tell you so many things are there, but I will tell you in next class remaining things. Okay, before that I will tell you few of the things. Okay, now I will create a server. See, you can go to, right now I don't have credit card, or if you have debit card you can use. Okay, I will tell you. Amazon Web Services free tier. Like that you can type. Like this you can type. Try AWS for free. See, AWS gives 12 months free usage. 12 months it will give free. We can practice without cost. Okay, we can practice without cost. We can practice without cost. You can go here, AWS free tier. See, free cloud computing with AS. See, you can go here, you can enter. It will ask you credentials. Once you see, try AWS at no cost for up to 6 months. Start with $100 in AWS credits plus earn 200 by completing various activities. So you need debit card. Okay, sign into an existing AWS account. We will see whether I have an account or not. I forget that account. Okay. Okay, you can create a new account. Create a new account. See, I will show you in internet because right now I have an account. I forget this. I forget that password. Again, creating an account will cost me. I need to pay for that one. That's why I will show you in internet how to. I will show you in internet. Okay, how to create AWS services free tier account. Okay, I have an account. I forget that password. Now, 2 years before I created that one. If I want to try another account, I need to create another email password. That's why. That too, I given my banking details in that AWS account. If another time I create a new account, I need to pay amount for that one. That's why I will show you how to create in free account in Google or in internet. Okay, how to create? I will show you how to create. Okay, no need to worry. See, here you can go here. Next, see, create account. Once you can create an account, it will ask, okay, root user or IAM user. Then you have to give your email. Here you need to give your email ID. Once you have given your email ID, what happens means, see, it will sign up before sign up means first you have to create your account, then you have to sign up. Okay, see, these are the details. Account name is this one and verify email address and everything happens. Okay, then verification code came. Okay, then username, password. And once you given these things, it is asking free plan or paid plan. See, initially 6 months is free only. Okay, based on the usage after 12 months, they are going to ask you if you are upgrade. They are going to credit money from your account. Depends upon the usage, how much usage you are using, those all things. Okay, see, free 6 months receiving up to 200 credits including free usage and select services. Okay, after 6 months period, when all credits are used, you can choose to upgrade to paid plan. Okay, see, these are the account plans you need to select. Choose free or paid. Okay, once once this happens, then they are going to ask you for business or personal and everything. You need to fill the details. Okay, then you can get the credits. Okay, billing information and everything you are going to get. See, here you need to give debit card or credit card. For only cloud related tools only, you have to give your debit card details, because 12 months it's free usage only, but more number of resources you use, then they will start debiting amount from your account. But initially, if you want to use cloud related softwares, then you must use your debit card details here. Okay, then only it will give access to you. Okay, like this it will give. You can purchase. See, initially 100 or 200 they will charge you. Oh, they will refund you automatically. Those 100 rupees they will refund you automatically. But after 6 months or 12 months, if you are using more in, see, Amazon Web Service is nothing but a lot of things are there. You don't see it's small tool, small user interface like that. Don't think it's a huge thing. Okay, because it's a cloud computing platform. Okay, it uses cloud computing platform. So many things are there in Amazon Web Services to do. Okay, don't think that it's a small user interface, just click 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 click. Don't think like that. So many things are there. Once you started doing that, those things, then you will understand. Okay, I will tell you each and everything. But initially I forget that password, that's why I'm showing in internet. Okay, okay. Next, congratulations. Once account created, there it shows congratulations. This is the user interface. This is the console home of AWS. This is the console home. Here you need to select the region, north or south, or some region is there. You need to select. Okay, once you selected, I will show you in later sessions, but I forget that password. That's why I'm showing in online. Okay. See, the dashboard is in, this is the dashboard. Whatever you saw here, this is nothing but a dashboard. Okay, this is nothing but a dashboard. Here you need to select the region also, north or south or anything. Okay. Next, this is how you are going to create a AWS free tier plan. See. This is the way to the AWS console. Log into the AWS console. Okay, this is how you are going to. This is the console of AWS. This is the console of AWS. We will see any document is available directly on the internet. Oh, I will check. Okay, okay. See, this is the console of AWS. Okay. Next, what we will do next. This is the console of AWS. I will see any document is available because I don't have I have an access, but what happens is means that I lost my password. I tried to get back, but that password I forget. That's why I'm showing in internet. Okay. Okay, no issues. I will show you each and everything in next session. Okay, this is the first demo class now. Just I am showing. Okay, in next demo class, I will show you everything. Okay, because I need to get back or I need to create new email ID and I need to create. I need to give new bank details to the AWS platform so that I can create new account and I will show you AWS management console and AWS setup and everything. Initial class, no, that's why I didn't do that thing because I forget that password. Okay, sorry for that. Sorry for the delay. In next session, I will show you each and everything. Okay, next. See, login console dashboard is nothing but a what? Dashboard, whatever you are saying, the dashboard is nothing but a was control panel. Dashboard is nothing but a control panel. Okay, next I will show you. I see, the problem is I forget that password. That is the problem. Gemini. If I create a new one again, I need to give new bank details to that one. That's why here already I have, no, this not this one. See, Google Gemini is one app. If I have anything, I am checking. Cancel. Any AWS related things I have. No, no, no. No. Okay. No problem. Next, I will show. I will tell you. Next, what happens is. Next, what happens is. 1 minute, please. WhatsApp web. Oh no, no. WhatsApp web. Okay, I want to show you, but document is not available. That's why I'm checking. See, I will check. HTTPS. Notes dot code cloud.com slash docs crash hyphen course hyphen AWS. I want to show some screenshots to you. That's why I am searching basics. Amazon EC2. I want to show you some screenshots. Oh shit, AWS. See, here AWS. I will show you. documentation. This is how you need to create pages. Okay, once you create it, and this already I explained, you know. Next, this one, where is this one? Next, this one. See, next one is Elastic Computing Platform, EC2. See, next one is launch EC2 instance. Next one is launch EC2 instance. Launch EC2 instance. EC2 means Elastic Cloud Computing. Okay. EC2 means what? It's an virtual server. EC2 means virtual server. In next class, I will show you this everything. No need to worry at all because I forget that password. That is the problem. EC2 means I didn't check before class. Just now I checked. EC2 means virtual server. See, Amazon EC2. Virtual server you need to create. Okay, how you create virtual server? See, I will show you steps. That's why I opened this document. Okay, virtual server how you need to create means I will show you. It is available means I will show you. If it is not available means I will not. I will tell you tomorrow in tomorrow's session. Okay. See, launch instance is there no? Click on this launch instance. This is the user interface of Amazon Web Services. Once you log in, once you given your login, once you sign up means you are creating your account. Once you created account, and then you are using those login credentials to log in. Once you log in, this Amazon Web Services interface is going to come, and then you can select EC2 dashboard. Once you selected EC2 dashboard, see instances running are 0. Okay, initially there is no instances. If you want to create instances, then you can click on launch EC2 instance. Okay, this what once you click on launch EC2 instance, what happened? It is going to creating a server. It is going to creating a server. Okay, it is going to creating a server. It is going to creating a server. We are creating a server. Then what happened? You can then what happened after creating a server? You can choose an instant type. Which instant type you want? See, Amazon RDS or anything you want. First, before going to select this one, it is going to ask you which type of OS, Windows or Linux or Mac, like that they are going to ask. Depends upon the software, whatever you want, you can select that one. I selected Windows inside the server. After selecting instance type, also it is asking instance type. See, after selecting instance type, it is asked. See, after selecting instance type, it is also it is going to ask you. See, it is going to ask you Windows or Linux or anything. Next, instance type, choose an instance type. For example, T2.micro to remain within a free type. Free, it's a free type now. That means free software now initially. If you want, if you select a free type, then you need to select T2.micro. T2.micro. So T2.micro. See, select free type T2.micro. This is free and enough for practice. Next, key value pair. This is like password. Okay, to login server. Next, AWS created a server within few seconds. Then connected to server. We will connect to server like a hacker, but legally. It uses what? SSH to connect your system to cloud server. Then install web servers. Okay, this is how you are going to use EC2. This is how you are going to create servers like EC2 and storage for S3 or DS for database. Okay, EC2 is nothing but app server. See, mainly three things. EC2, you are launching an instance. EC2, EC2 is nothing but creating servers. Okay, S3 buffer storage. I will show you practically each and everything in tomorrow's session. No need to worry. First, just remember the things because I forget that password just now before the session. Okay. RDS for database. Okay. Mention these three things only you are doing. Mention Amazon initially. Mention Amazon S3, Amazon RDS. Okay. Next, for example, food delivery example I am taking. Food delivery, food delivery app is a we have food delivery app like Zomato, Swiggy and all thing. No, EC2 is nothing but a app server. Zomato app or Swiggy app. S3 is nothing but a image stored, image storage. Okay, RDS is nothing but a user data, user data. Okay, this is how. Okay, what happens, sir, if traffic increases? Traffic in the sense more number of users are join in Swiggy app or Zomato app to deliver food. In that time what happens means AWS automatically scales, auto scales. AWS auto scales. Okay. So today what you learned, what is meant by AWS? Why we came for AWS when old technologies are there, legacy technologies are there. See, legacy technologies you have to buy the, for suppose you have college website, you have to buy the physical server, you need a server room, you need AC cooling, you need electricity, you need so many maintenance also you need. These are all costly things. That's why when cloud computing came into the market, everybody shifted to cloud computing. No, cloud computing means everything runs on the servers on the internet. Through the internet, it is someone else's computer is going to access from anywhere. Okay, cloud compute, because of cloud computing, yeah, tools like AWS, Azure, and GCP is nothing but a platform or tools. They are going to provide cloud computing services. Okay, that's why companies are shifted to cloud computing. Okay, why companies use it? How to create a server? Okay, how to host a website? Everything I explained in today's session. In tomorrow's class, I will show you. Once I got my credentials, I will show you, and practically everything. No need to worry at all. See, three things you need to create. EC2. It's a launch system, elastic cloud computing related. We need to launch this instance, and then S3 for storage and RDS for user data. Okay, it's RDS is nothing but a database. Okay, S3 storage, EC2 for creating a server. Okay, it's instance. These things you have to keep in your mind. Okay, see, open your first. If you want to create your own account, go to AWS console. See, go to AWS website. Okay, I will show you. Go to AWS website. Okay, before signing into the console, you have to create an account. Create an account. I am typing. Create a free account. Okay, like opening a bank account. Like, okay, AWS account is nothing but your cloud workspace. Opening a bank account like that, this is your cloud workspace. Okay, see, I am trying sign in. I have an account, I forget that credentials. That's why today it's suffered. Okay, before the class one is that one, I forget that credential. Okay, if you want means you can give account name. See, this dashboard is like your control room. Okay, once you sign in, you can get the dashboard, right? That is nothing but your control room where you manage servers. Okay, I will tell you what is the account, AWS account name, root user, email, password, email address. I will check my credentials one more time. Wait, whether it's working or not, I will see. I am using my existing account. I am trying account ID. Oh, sorry. Enma. Oh, sorry. Oh, come on, come on. No, that account is not working. Okay, I will create a new account in tomorrow session. and then I will show you how to do everything. Okay, how to do everything. I will show you in tomorrow's class because I forget that password. Okay, no need to worry. Today this is the demo session. See, if you want full session, then you have to pay the money. Website udayit dot great hyphen site dot net is my website, and Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. Okay, next. Azure also you have to use your bank debit card or credit card. Okay, why means 100 rupees or something they are going to credit initially and then they can refund you. But depends upon the usage they are going to debit money. That means if you use more number of resources, then they will direct money. Okay, initially it's free only, but depends upon the resources how many you are using. Based on that, they are going to debit money from your account. That's why they are asking bank details. Okay, not only that one. See, so for so many reasons they are asking bank. See, for so many reasons they are asking banks. See, they without using as to avoid fake accounts, because if they give freely, so many people will join. So to avoid fake accounts, to stop spam or illegal usage, AWS asks for bank or credit card details, not to charge immediately but to verify identity and prevent misuse. Okay, to charge only if you exceed free limits. Once you exceed free limits, then automatically they will debit amount from your account. Okay, can you use debit card? Yes sir. Visit Visa, debit card, Mastercard, international transactions, everything there you can use, no issue. Initially they will deduct 1 rupee to 100 rupees. Okay, temporarily, then it will refunded automatically. Okay, no problems. Okay, okay. If you don't want that one, then you can use Google Cloud also. You can use. See, Google Cloud is there. AWS, if you this is the AWS course, no, that's why we have to use AWS. GCP course means you have to use Google. Google to see 300 credits they are going to get started from, like that. Similarly, there AWS tool. This is GCP tool, Google Cloud Platform tool. Okay, that is different. The tool is different. This tool is different. Both are used for cloud servers, cloud computing purpose. Both are provides cloud cloud computing services only. Okay, both are doing same operations, but AWS is different. Google Cloud Platform is different. This is Amazon related thing. That is Google related thing. Okay, both are for cloud only. Okay, next. See, in tomorrow's class, I will show you those things. Okay, now today is my demo class. In history, this is my website. So go to this website, udayit dot great hyphen site dot net. Okay, this is my website. See, like Amazon Web Services, I am in my website also. You have to give your full name, email, password, confirm password. You can create account. Once you created account, then you can give your credentials. Otherwise, do one thing. Here, go to home. This is the home page. Okay, AWS. You are searching for AWS, right? AWS course. AWS course. Once you go down, see AWS course fees is 14,999. Okay, you can enroll now. There, once you sign up now, you got login credentials. So that login credentials you can use, and then you have to pay the fees. Okay, today's demo class is now, that's why it is free. Tomorrow's class, I need to show you practical, right? Then you have to pay the money. Okay, no need to worry at all. If you still have any doubts related to cloud computing or legacy technologies, what is meant by EC2, S3, RDS, and all those things, you can call me or you can ask me or you can chat me with online. I can clarify your doubts. Okay. Okay, this is my YouTube channel, Udayit Tech Academy. Go to Udayit, Udayit Tech. You go to YouTube, go to YouTube. Okay, here Udayit Tech Academy. You can click. Then this Udayit Tech Academy game. There, these are all the demo classes up to now we discussed. Okay, students also joined in these demo sessions. Okay, uh, if you want this cyber security, you can go and then you can see the video, and then if you are interested you can join. Right now today I uploaded AWS video also. Okay, next step in tomorrow's class you can go this website and then you can pay the fees, then only we can I will send you a link for meeting, then you can attend for tomorrow's demo sessions. Sorry, not tomorrow's class. Okay, I will send you the link. Sorry. I will send you a Zoom meeting link or some other link. Zoom meeting link. See, Zoom meeting we have to. I will send you the link. You can join in this and then you can attend tomorrow's session. Okay, before that you have to pay the fees. Okay, okay, guys. It was a nice meeting to all of you. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, Mike. Okay, bye.